Here are 7 AI productivity tools that people are using every single day to save time, reduce stress, and get way more done. If you're not using at least a couple of these, you're probably working harder, wasting more time, and losing more money than you need to. Click the links in the description to get started for free with all of these tools. AI Tool 1. First up, let's talk about Perplexity. AI search tools are everywhere, but most of them have serious limitations. Either they pull bad information, get cut off by paywalls, or just give vague, unhelpful answers. Perplexity solves that by combining different AI models into one powerful search tool that actually finds useful, accurate information. When you open Perplexity, you see a simple chat box where you can type in anything you want to research. But what makes it different is the focus option. This recently got removed from the web version of Perplexity, but it's still available for now on the app, which is handy to have. Once you've opened up a chat, you can click on Focus, which lets you choose exactly how the AI should look for answers. If you want information from real, up-to-date websites, you select Web. If you need academic papers, there's a focus for that too. It also has modes for math, writing, YouTube video research, and even searching through social media and forums. This isn't just about getting answers, it's about saving time on research. Let's say you need to figure out the best approach to a marketing campaign. Instead of searching Google, filtering through blog posts, watching videos, and scanning Reddit threads separately, you just ask Perplexity and select the right focus. In a few seconds, it pulls together insights from the best sources and gives you a clear answer, usually with links to dig deeper if you need to. This makes it an extremely powerful research tool, especially for professionals who rely on fast, accurate information. AI Tool 2. Now, if you're a developer or work with code, Cursor is an AI tool you need to know about. It's built on Visual Studio Code, one of the most widely used coding environments, but it brings in AI to take coding productivity to another level. One of its biggest advantages is how seamlessly it integrates into your workflow. With Cursor, you don't need to switch back and forth between your coding environment and an AI chatbot to get help. You can just press Command+I, describe what you want, and the AI will modify your code directly. Let's say you have a function that works but is slow. Instead of manually refactoring it, you can tell Cursor, optimize this function for speed. The AI will rewrite it in real time. And it's not just basic fixes. Cursor can help debug, explain code, and even generate entire features. By default, it uses Claude 3.5 Sonnet, one of the best AI models for coding, but you can swap in other models if you prefer. The key with Cursor is iteration. You prompt it, test the results, refine, and keep going until you get exactly what you need. It's like having an AI coding assistant that doesn't just suggest code, but actually helps shape it. AI Tool 3, Claude 3.5. Sonnet is an AI tool worth discussing on its own because it has a feature that no other major AI model offers right now: projects. If you need an AI that understands a specific field or workflow, Claude lets you create a project that acts like a personalized AI assistant. For example, if you work in 3D modeling and use OpenSCAD, you can train Claude to understand it. You start by creating a project, giving it a name, and describing your goals. Then you upload examples of your OpenSCAD code. Over time, Claude learns from these examples, so instead of explaining everything from scratch every time, you can just prompt it normally and get results tailored to your work. This means instead of manually scripting 3D models, you can prompt the AI. Generate a parametric model of a gear with customizable size and teeth count, and it will produce an accurate OpenSCAD script. This kind of automation is a massive time saver for technical fields, making complex tasks much more accessible. AI Tool 4. Now let's talk about organization. If you struggle with staying on top of tasks, projects, and notes, Notion is one of the best AI-enhanced productivity tools available right now. At its core, Notion is a workspace where you can create documents, databases, and to-do lists, but what makes it powerful is its AI assistant. Unlike standalone AI chatbots, Notion's AI is built into your workflow. It can summarize meeting notes, suggest content, and even generate reports based on the data you've collected. For example, let's say you're tracking a project with multiple deadlines and tasks. Notion lets you create a database where you can assign tasks, set priorities, and link related documents. The AI can then analyze your workflow and suggest optimizations, like which tasks to prioritize or where potential bottlenecks are. AI Tool 5. If you prefer a more database-driven approach, Airtable is another tool that's incredibly powerful. It works similarly to Notion but is geared more toward developers and teams that need structured data. Airtable combines the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, making it great for managing large projects. But what really makes it stand out is its AI integration. You can create a column in your database that uses AI to generate text, summarize content, or even automate responses based on the data in other fields. For example, let's say you're managing a customer support system. Airtable can automatically generate responses based on customer inquiries, summarize interactions, and trigger follow-up actions when certain conditions are met. Its automation features let you set up workflows where one action, like updating a task status, triggers another, such as notifying a team member or generating a report. AI Tool 6. If you're looking for even deeper automation, you have to try Make. It's an automation platform that allows you to build complex workflows using AI without needing to write code. Make connects different apps and services, letting you automate things like onboarding new clients, processing payments, or even creating video content. You can set up workflows that react to specific events, like sending a notification when a new client signs up, or automatically compiling reports at the end of each week. Let's say you run a business and need to send invoices based on project completion. With Make, you can set up a workflow where, once a project is marked as complete in Airtable or Notion, an invoice is generated and emailed to the client automatically. This gets rid of manual steps, so you can save time and also have peace of mind knowing that there won't be any human errors or typos. AI Tool 7. I have to talk about Flux One. If you need AI-generated images that actually look realistic, Flux One is one of the most impressive tools out there. It was created by former Midjourney employees and is now open source, meaning it's constantly evolving with input from the community. Flux One is especially good at generating high-quality, realistic images of people, which is something that a lot of AI image generators struggle with. It also has powerful text-to-image capabilities that lets you get detailed, photorealistic results with precise control over things like lighting, facial expressions, and backgrounds. One of its biggest advantages is its integration with Grok, which makes it even more accessible. If you work in design, marketing, or content creation, Flux One lets you generate high-quality visuals without relying on stock photos or expensive photo shoots. At this point, AI isn't just an optional tool, it's something people are using every single day to work smarter, not harder. Whether it's research, coding, organization, automation, or content creation, these 7 AI tools are making workflows more efficient, cutting down on busy work, and unlocking possibilities that just weren't available before. Have you used any of these tools before? Will you be giving them a try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.